guys, how's it going? Today we're going to go how to draw a Spider-Man egg. So let's get into it. We're going to draw a circular egg-like shape. It's going to be a little bit pointier at the top and at the bottom. Try to move your hand around the paper to get used to it, to get used to the shape. Try as much as you can to get Also, if you like different tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And there are other programs I have, full courses that I have on my Gumroad account. I'm going to post that in the link. We have a link. We have a program on drawing hair, on the specifics of drawing that with exercises, and then we also have a program on drawing cartoons and a program on teaching yourself how to draw, through kind of what methods you should use to kind of get better. But all that stuff is on the description. All that stuff's on my Gumroad in the description. I will put it. All right, let's go across. So I'm gonna draw this web shape. And it's gonna be like small little octagon shapes. Doesn't really matter how many, well, it does kind of matter, but we're gonna pull a line before I did that. Pull a line. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was easy to follow. Anybody could follow that. If you need to go back, please rewind and watch again. That's kind of it. Say hi to me in the comments. I read every single comment. I want to hear from you guys. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to check out that Gumroad for entire courses. So talk to you later.